Quality is key to your success. Continuously increasing quality demands are a major challenge for all industries, as there are many factors influencing the quality of a product. Therefore, visibility on where quality risks are is an essential need in production facilities around the globe. What if? What if you had a solution that monitors your production processes and identifies quality concerns as they appear? You would be aware of quality risks immediately, so that you can take action to prevent bad products leaving your factory. But how do we do this? The smart analytics of ALTURE Optimize continuously monitor your production and identify risks in your processes which could have costly consequences. One of the risks is high variations in your tightening results, which is an indicator of an unstable process as well as a risk for inconsistent joint integrity. Imagine a broken bolt being undetected and how catastrophic that could be. In this case, the last 800 OK results are fluctuating between an angle of 600 degrees, almost 2 full rotations of a bolt. Can you really be sure that this product has the required clamp force? Knowing that products leave the factory with such variation in results is a major concern. So let's do something about it. ALTURE also highlights related not OK events and provides recommendations on what to do in order to get your process back under control. This easy-to-use software truly is driving quality improvements through visibility, expertise, and awareness. Improve your quality now by avoiding quality risks and associated costs in your production. ALTURE, powered by data, optimized by Atlas Copco.